Hey everyone, I'm excited to talk to you today about something that I know a lot of you are curious about: how to make money online without any investment. Yep, you heard that right, no money down. So let's dive right in. First up, we've got freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms where you can offer your skills, be it writing, graphic design, or even voiceover work, without spending a dime. The key here is to start small, build up a portfolio, and gradually increase your rates as you gain more experience. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Companies like Amazon have affiliate programs where you can earn a commission by promoting their products. All you need to do is sign up for the program, get your affiliate link, and start sharing it on your blog, social media, or even YouTube channel. You don't need to own the product, you just need to convince others to buy it. Number 3 on the list is online surveys and market research. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay users to share their opinions on various products and services. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a simple way to earn some extra cash during your downtime. If you're more of a creative type, consider print-on-demand services. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring allow you to upload your designs and sell them on various products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. You don't have to manage inventory or shipping, the platform takes care of that for you. All you need is a bit of creativity and some time to create your designs. Let's not forget about content creation. Whether it's starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast, creating content can be a fantastic way to earn money online. With platforms like WordPress for blogging and YouTube for videos, you can start for free. Monetization through ads, sponsorships, and even donations can come later as you grow your audience. Lastly, there's the option of selling digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even stock photos, digital products can be sold again and again without any additional cost. Websites like Gumroad and Etsy are perfect for this. So, there you have it. These are some of the best ways to make money online without any initial investment. The most important thing is to start. Pick one, commit to it, and see where it takes you. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to earn money online. Catch you later.